Oh, just a little bit of a video of what I'm looking at here. This would probably fall under the hashtags of, again, this is Colorado and hashtag mountain living. We're looking at about 8.5 inches over the past 24 hours. It started 24 hours and 20 minutes ago. That's my shed. That's the picture I've been taking to reference all this crap. This would be a lot prettier if it were, I don't know, 3 months ago. It's a big old beast of a Ponderosa pine right next to the house. Everything's just blanketed with this crap. Hopefully it'll all be gone by Friday. I think Friday or Saturday is supposed to be 70 and sunny. Hopefully, a little bit of luck. And I was hoping to use all those, but then this crap hit. This is Colorado.